Making payments is easy and convenient through MyDORWAY. To get started, log in to your MyDORWAY account. To make an account, payment plan, or audit payment, scroll to the account you want to make a payment on and click the Make a Payment link. Choose your payment type in the drop-down menu. Be sure to read the descriptions on the right to ensure you are making the correct type of payment. In this example, we'll make an account payment which gets applied to the oldest debt on the account. Enter the payment amount and date in the corresponding fields and click Next to continue. Choose your payment method. Please read the differences between the two payment types carefully before making your selection. Credit card payments are processed through a third-party website. These payments cannot be future dated or canceled, and their status cannot be viewed in MyDORWAY until they are processed. For this example, we'll select Bank Account. Click Next to continue. Confirm your payment amount at the top, enter your bank account information into the corresponding fields, and select the type of bank account you're using. Next, select whether or not you would like to save this bank account for future use. Saving your bank account can save you time by allowing you to select this banking information the next time you make a payment. For this example, we'll select Yes and give the bank a nickname. Click Next to continue. Enter your MyDORWAY password, which serves as your electronic signature. Click the Submit button once you're finished. This is the confirmation page. Print or write down your confirmation number for your records so that you can track this transaction in the future. Click OK to return to the MyDORWAY homepage. Another way to make an account payment is to use the Action Center. The Action Center shows any outstanding tasks you need to complete for your accounts. To see Action Center items for a specific account, click the Action Center items link in the account panel. The Account Action Center will list all account actions that need to be completed for a specific account, including payments that need to be made and returns that need to be filed. To see a list of Action Center items for all accounts, click the Action Center tab at the top. Find the tax account you would like to make a payment for and click the Make a Payment link. By using this method, account payment will automatically be selected as the payment type, and the payment amount will automatically populate to the balance due. You can change the payment amount and payment date on this screen as needed. Click Next to continue and complete the payment process outlined earlier in the tutorial. If you need to make a payment for a specific tax period, return to the MyDORWAY homepage and click the View Returns and Periods link in the account panel you want to make the payment for. This page contains a list of your current account periods and will default to the Periods tab. Periods that contain an exclamation point will have quick links in the third column. The File Return link means that a return hasn't been filed for that period. You can click the File Return link to file the return. The Make a Payment link means that a return has been filed, but there is still a balance on the period. Click the Make a Payment link next to the period you want to pay the balance for. When you use this payment method, the system will automatically select Return Payment as the payment type and your filing period will automatically populate. Enter the payment amount and date in the corresponding fields and proceed with the payment process outlined earlier in the tutorial. If you need to check on the status of a payment, navigate to the MyDORWAY homepage and click the More tab at the top. Click the Search Submissions link in the Submissions panel. On the Submissions page, you will see Pending and Processed Submissions. Pending submissions will appear under the Pending tab, and Processed Submissions will appear under the Process tab. Payments can only be canceled if they haven't been processed yet. To cancel a payment, click the Payment link in the Submission column. This page shows your payment information. To cancel the payment, click the Delete link at the top of the page and then click Yes to confirm. Your payment has now been canceled. For more information about MyDORWAY, including tutorials and how to sign up, visit dor.sc.gov/MyDORWAY. Thanks for watching.